got the keys to my new condo. We're gonna pack my stuff. Yan na yung mga boxes. Yeah, almost lahat naman na set is moving in there. I have a shoot. Dito na sina Kuya Movers. Medyo maayos naman na siya. Hey, what's up guys? First YouTube video in a while. Na-miss ko kayo. Nga guys, today we're currently moving out of my condo kasi we're gonna be transferring to a bigger and better one. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. Sobrang excited na ako. So, I'm filming a vlog para naman masama ko kayo sa journey ko here sa city. So tara, samahan niyo akong mag-pack ng mga gamit ngayon for our move out. This is my first ever apartment in the city. Pakita mo naman. So this is my first ever apartment in a city. I actually love this condo, but then nag-work hard naman ako for this. So I think I deserve an upgrade. Grabe guys, sobrang bilis ng panahon. 1 year na ako dito sa city. Parang di ko pa nga siya na-feel na 1 year na. Pero 1 year na ako dito. And lilipat na tayo ng condo. I'm here with my cousin pala to help me move my stuff. Nag-order lang ako online ng big boxes. And nga guys, katatapos natin maglagay ng mga gamit dito sa first na box. Puno na siya, so sasara na natin and then mag-open na tayo ng isa pang box. Actually, itong closet pa lang yung nalilinis natin. Ayan, yung closet pa lang yan. And meron pa tayong ito, yung mga gamit ko, yung luggages ko. I still have that one closet there. I got the keys to my new condo! So today is Sunday and almost done na kami sa pag-iimpake. The only thing that we're gonna do today, because I'm gonna move in tomorrow, is siguro i-disassemble yung mga kailangang i-disassemble. Like the bed frame, kasi hindi siya kayang ilabas nang naka-assemble siya. I'm thinking if i-disassemble pa to, so we have to check on that. And yeah, almost lahat naman na is settled na. Yung ibang gamit ko, ilalagay ko na lang muna sa maleta, yung mga personal things ko. So far guys, yan na yung mga boxes. Ang dami na. Last home cooked meal dito sa condo. Kasi later guys, ipapack na din namin yung mga kitchenwares. So medyo hectic schedule ko tomorrow. I have a shoot and at the same time, I'm gonna be moving in like my items. So I have a shoot at 11 to 2 p.m. and then 3 p.m. ako mag-move in. But I'm gonna visit my condo at around 9 a.m. para mag-shoot doon ng empty condo tour. And yun, medyo hectic yung schedule natin bukas. Buti magkakalapit lang yung lugar. But I'm gonna bring you guys along din tomorrow sa shoot ko. Quick lang. Pasok po kuya. Pasok po. Kuya, papadisassemble ko lang sana tong bed frame ko. Kasi wala kasi akong tools eh. Grabe naman yung pimple sa ilong ko. Grabe! Anyways guys, na-disassemble na yung bed frame ko. Ayan, nandiyan na siya lahat ng kailangan natin. This is my last day spending the night here in my current condo. Ayan, nilagay ko muna yung kama dito malapit sa window para I could have a magnificent view tonight. You know, to soak in the energy kasi syempre 1 year din naman akong tumira dito sa condo na to. There have been the ups, the downs in this condo. And I'm grateful for each experience that I had in this home. And yun guys, on to the next journey. Wow guys, tignan nyo. Last night and the Rockwell lights opened up. It's like the universe is saying I did a great job this year. Because he's giving me a nice, great view before I move to another condo. Good morning, guys. Today is moving in day. I have a big pimple, like literally in the middle of my nose. And I also have a shoot today. So, sobrang perfect timing na naman talaga. But yeah, I'm so excited to do the grand condo reveal to you guys. I'll be bringing you guys along with me. See you Okay guys, so welcome to my new home. BGC. Okay guys, so quick condo tour lang tayo. This is going to be my kitchen. Probably do some furnishings here. And this is my whole living dining area. This area will be my living area. This area naman siguro a little dining area. A dining table, dining chairs, tas little shelves dyan ng mga kung ano-ano. Basta gagawan natin ng paraan. Luwang niya guys, this is 50 square meters. Tas ang ganda ng view. This is in BGC. Walkable lang to sa High Street. So, mas mabilis na akong makapunta sa High Street. Ito naman yung bedroom guys. Okay din siya. May built-in cabinets na siya. But this is the CR. Very spacious. And yeah, we're probably gonna do a lot of furnishings on the CR also because I kind of want to change the color of the CR, you know, stuff like that. So basically, that's the empty condo. Bumalik lang ako saglit sa condo, guys, para kunin yung gamit ko because I have a shoot. Ayan. Inaasikaso ko din yung move-out forms ko, move-out clearance ko dito sa condo. So medyo nakaka-stress pala siya talaga. Hey guys, so we're now here in the studio. Photographer ko pala.
Hi! And you're from Daza. Follow me on IG.
Yes, follow niyo. Galing niya. Napakahiwagang makeup artist. Miss Athena. Hey guys, I'm with my stylist.
Hey, Erin. This is gonna be one bit of a job.
Okay guys, I'm finally done with the shoot. Thank you guys! Thank you, T. Oh my god, sobrang tigas na ng hair ko. Bye-bye guys! Kuya, gusto yung bagat mo na lang? Okay guys, we're moving in my items already. Eto kuya, dun na lang, diretso na sa room. Yes, I have my Novomen package pa na nasama. Apo, dyan na lang. Dito na lang po sa gilid. Okay, I have my ref na. Saan ba kayo, kuya? Guys, medyo pagod na kami. Wala pa akong masyadong kain. Kumain kami kanina pero hindi ko masyadong maubos yung food kasi medyo pagod na din. Medyo pabagsak na din yung eyes ko. Pero yeah, unti-unti naman nang napapasok yung mga gamit. After nun, baka hindi mo na namin siya ayusin. Bukas na lang ulit. Maaga. So, okay po. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, good morning guys. This is my first day here in my condo and look at it. Medyo maayos naman na siya kahit papaano. Dinala ko lang yung of course yung mga furnishing ko pero this is not yet the final. Hindi ko pa napapakabit yung bed frame ko. So nandyan pa yung bed ko sa baba. But so far, so iniisip ko pa guys kung bibili ako ng mga bagong furnitures. Iniisip ko pa kung i-let go ko na tong Togo sofa ko kasi I really love this one. Because I'm going for like a mid-century kind of vibe for my condo. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna let this go. I really love this sofa. Pero baka palitan natin. The carpet, baka palitan ko. The center table, baka dyan na lang muna. Ano pa ba? Basta yun, magdadagdag tayo ng madaming furniture ngayon. And today guys, ang gagawin ko naman, I think I'm just gonna go buy my grocery, my first ever grocery for this condo para naman makapagluto na ako. And yeah, I think that's it. So katatapos namin mag-grocery and medyo nagutom kami so dumaan muna kami saglit dito sa Juices. I'm also editing my drafts for our current brand. That's a good thing about being a content creator because you can work anywhere. Cheers! This is This is tuna maki. It's my favorite from Juices. I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, nagluluto lang ako ng lunch namin. So I'm gonna be cooking, what do you call this? Nilaga. Ito yung granosery, isa sa granosery namin kapag kasi nagka-crave na talaga ako ng lutong bahay. So I'm just gonna be preparing it. Masyadong malaki yan. So, gusto ko talaga guys pag nilaga, kompleto yung niya, veggies niya. So, meron tayong Baguio beans, may anong tawag nito kasi sa Tagalog. Basta sa amin tawag dito saba. Tapos meron tayong, what do you call this? Basta meron tayo niyan. And then nagpapakulo din pala ako guys, tignan nyo. Pork and then yung corn. So yun, excited na akong mag-lunch. Okay, guys, luto na siya. Ooh, yummy. Look at mo, tignan nyo. Yan, unang lutong bahay sa aking bagong condo. This is my first ever luto dito sa bagong condo. Okay guys, I will end my vlog here. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin for this start of another chapter of my life. And I hope na nandyan kayo sa buong journey ko dito sa aking new home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone!